The coyote or jackal Canis latrans, which means barking dog, is a member of the Canidae family and a close relative of the grey wolf. There are 19 recognized subspecies of the coyote, forked and berg, 1999. Coyotes are native to North America and are found from Alaska to Panama. Male coyotes weigh from 8 to 20 kilograms and female coyotes 7 to 18 kilograms. European explorers first encountered this type of dog on their way to the American Southwest. They sometimes huddle in small flocks, but generally hunt alone. The average lifespan of a coyote is 6 to 10 years. Owls are a group of birds that are members of the order Strigiformes. This bird belongs to the class of birds of prey, carnivores, meat-eaters, and is a nocturnal animal. Altogether, there are about 222 known species, which range worldwide except Antarctica, most of Greenland, and a few outlying islands. This bird's facial area is surrounded by feathers and the character of the face is in the shape of a love. This is the main attraction and uniqueness for this night animal, but at the same time makes it look scary. Generally, the color of this animal's fur is brown and gray combined with black and white spots. The average owl's tail is short. However, this animal with the Latin name ʻfʒlkən has wings that are unusually large and very wide. When this bird spreads its wings, the width can be equivalent to 3 times the length of its own body. The lynx is one of 4 species: Canadian lynx, Iberian lynx, Eurasian lynx, or bobcat, in the medium-sized wildcat genus Lynx. The name lynx comes from Middle English via Latin from the Greek word, derived from the Indo-European root luk meaning light, brightness referring to the glow of its reflective eyes. The lynx cat's keen eyesight makes it one of the legendary cats in the myths of many cultures. In Greek, Norse, and North American myth, the lynx sees what others cannot, and serves to uncover hidden truths. The largest falcon is the gerfalcon at up to 65 centimeters in length. The smallest falcon species is the pygmy falcon, which measures just 20 centimeters. As with hawks and owls, falcons exhibit sexual dimorphism, with the females typically larger than the males, thus allowing a wider range of prey species. The falcons are the largest genus in the Falconinae subfamily of Falconidae, which itself also includes another subfamily comprising caracaras and a few other species. All these birds kill with their beaks, using a toenail tooth on the side of their beaks, unlike the hawks, eagles, and other birds of prey in the Echippetridae, which use their feet.